Hi, my name is Jason, and today's video I'm going to explain to you how to interpret again the explanation of benefits and or payments from insurance, and basically this is from MetLife Insurance. Alright, so I only have one code to present to you right now. For this explanation of benefits, we can see the D2740 or the crown for tooth number 2. Basically this is for molar tooth, right? So for this plan I can see here that this is the D2740 has alternate benefit. We call that as a downgraded code. So from D2740 down to D2790. All right, so this is for molar tooth or molar teeth. So for anterior teeth, basically there's no um, downgraded code, but other insurance plans have that kind of downgraded alternate benefit for anterior teeth. But for this plan, there's none for sure. So right, as you can see here, you submitted. That means the office submitted this amount, $1,900 as a billed amount, and the negotiated fee or the network fee is $1,150. All right, so this is the contracted fee. All right, so since this is downgraded to D2790, right? So it becomes $1,121 the allowed amount, not the D2740 allowed amount. All right. So since this is one of the major services, or it belongs to major category, so most of the time this is covered 50%. All right. So that means 50% of 1,121, the allowed amount for the downgraded code D2790 is $535.50. All right, so that means the other 50% should be the patient responsibility, uh, which also be $535.50. All right, so for this one, why is it that the patient responsibility is $614.50? It's because aside from the $535.50, you have to add up the difference between the original code. This is what we rendered to the patient, which is D2740. You have to get the difference from that $1,150 and $1,121. So that is $29. All right. So aside from that, you have to get the deductible, which is $50. So you can see here that the deductible is applied to this service or this code. All right, so $29 plus the 50%, 535.50 plus the $50 deductible, that equals to $614.50. So that's why the patient owes, or the patient responsibility here reflects as $614.50. All right, so basically that's how we interpret the explanation of payments from the insurance. If you don't know how to interpret that, then you will have a hard time in entering the payment to Open Dental. So for that, to summarize that, for downgraded codes, the patient responsibility should be the following. First, the difference between the original code and the downgraded code. Second is the copay or the patient's portion. If it's 50%, so the other 50% is the patient portion, and the deductible if there is any. But for this case, we can see the $50 deductible is applied to this code. All right, so pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching.